My name is Sadie Lawson and I'm a vet at Recovery Ranch.
Hi, my name is Anna Sartori. I'm a local veterinarian at Recovery Ranch.
Hi, my name is Melissa and I'm a kennel assistant at Recovery Ranch.
I'm Juliana Alfaro and I'm the vet tech at Recovery Ranch.
My name is Alyssa Fowler and I'm the receptionist at Recovery Ranch.
Chubbs is a 9-month-old puppy and was born with a bone disorder. When he was born, his bones did not develop completely, and this was caused by a dietary imbalance. The general structure of the canine skeleton has 3 skeletal subunits: appendicular skeleton, axial skeleton, and visceral skeleton.
Our patient in today is Dale. Dale is a 6-month-old dachshund that needs to be neutered. The reproductive system of a male dog consists of testes, the scrotum, the penis, the glans pedis, the urethra, the prostate, and bands or ductus deferens. The process of a male dog being neutered is to cut out the canine's testicles, which would prevent them from producing sperm. Therefore, it is impossible for them to have puppies. Our patient in today is Angel. Angel is a 6-month-old dachshund that needs to be spayed. The reproductive system of a female dog consists of a vagina, cervix, body of uterus, ovaries, oviduct, and the uterine horn. The basic procedure of a female dog to be spayed is to twist its ovaries, therefore preventing the dog to have puppies or be in heat. Our patients in today are Brody, Max, and Bruce. They are all 7-year-old male dogs found on the side of Adobe Road in Petaluma, California. Brody has a very bad case of mange, which affects his integumentary system. A dog's integumentary system consists of fur, skin, nails, pads, and skin glands. It allows the dog to feel touch, pressure, temperature, pain, and vibrations. The skin prevents the dog's tissues from drying out or being invaded by germs. The skin also produces vitamin D, which is vital in allowing calcium to be absorbed from the dog's diet to keep bones healthy. Mange is a skin disease caused by parasites. It causes severe itching, hair loss, and the formation of scabs.
The urinary system is responsible for filtering waste from the blood and both forming and secreting urine. These functions help to maintain the composition and volume of bodily fluids. Although it has a far-reaching effect, the urinary system is relatively simple anatomically and consists of kidney, uterus, bladder, and urethra. The cardiovascular system of a dog is similar to a human. The cardiovascular system consists of a heart, blood vessels, and approximately 5 liters of blood that the blood vessels transport. Responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and cellular waste products throughout the body, the cardiovascular system is powered by the body's hardest working organ, the heart, which is only about the size of a closed fist.
Gray has feline lymphoma. This is a type of cancer that is malignant and comes from his white blood cells. You should expect the lymphoma to affect the balance of fluids within his body as well as his immunity. Lymphoma can affect both types of lymphocytes, causing them to go into uncontrolled growth and multiplication. They can then collect in a lymph node to form a tumor, which then expands and invades the tissues and organs around it, taking their nutrients and oxygen. Sometimes these abnormal lymphocytes will travel to other lymph nodes or organs. Lymphoma develops after a cat is exposed to the feline leukemia or feline immunodeficiency viruses. While cats of any age can fall victim to lymphoma, most tend to be 10 to 12 years old when diagnosed. However, it is not impossible for a young cat like Gray to possess the disease. As Lily gets older, the simple tasks that used to be easy, like jumping onto the bed or going for a walk, seem to be much more of a challenge. Arthritis is responsible for the newfound strains that her owners have noticed as she ages. Dogs who injured joints earlier in their life are more likely to develop arthritis as they age. Similar to people, arthritis in dogs may only cause a slight stiffness, or it can become debilitating. As with muscles in people, older dogs who are inactive will lose muscle mass and tone. This may make it more difficult for them to move, so they choose not to. Exercise for an older dog is vital for the health of muscles as well as the heart, digestive system, and attitude. It has been suggested that Lily's owners include exercise routines that are adapted according to the dog's abilities. Swimming and several short walks a day may help maintain and strengthen the dog's muscles. Ramps, elevated feeders, dog stairs, and orthopedic beds may help a dog who has increased mobility or pain on movement, as seen in the photo.
A dog's respiratory system is composed of nares, nasal cavity, sinuses within the skull, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and lungs. Air exchange occurs in the alveoli, and the used air follows the opposite path. The dog's respiratory system is also a cooling system since dogs don't have sweat glands. In cats, the endocrine system is composed of several different types of glands and organs that produce hormones of the body, and it is scattered throughout the body. Diseases of the endocrine can occur with overproduction or underproduction of hormones. The immune system is a collection of biological processes that protects against diseases by identifying the killing and invading pathogens, as well as tumor cells. It works 24/7, guarding against invading infections and detecting a wide variety of invading agents, including bacteria, viruses, and parasite worms. One key feature of the immune system function is that it is able to distinguish the invading organisms from the body's own cells and tissue. Primary immune deficiency disorders involve weakened immune response when required and are seen due to heritable defects in the immune system, whereas secondary immune deficiency disorders are caused by some other primary disease. Idiopathic epilepsy seizures are one of the most common neurological problems seen in dogs. A seizure happens when the cerebral cortex part of the brain functions abnormally. There are many different diseases that can cause seizures in dogs or any other breeds of animals, and this problem is not curable.
Similarly, in Grey's Anatomy, we see them focusing on all the systems listed above, and we have found the difference between animals' anatomy and humans' anatomy and how surgery should be performed.
Thank you for watching our informational video on the 12 body systems. We just want to let you know that we are covered by HIPAA and your secrets are safe with us. Thanks from all at Recovery Ranch.